Are you looking for the best baking pans? In this video, we will break down the top 6 baking pans on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. This 9-inch round cake pan is an essential staple for your kitchen. Due to its versatility, it can help you to level up your culinary skills greatly. This heavy-duty product is made of commercial-grade aluminized steel and is able to stay with you for a long time. As for operation, it's covered with a non-stick BPA-free layer, so it's safe for you and your family. Moreover, the non-stick coating makes cleaning easier and faster. What is more, the interior is made with grooves, which will increase the functionality and durability. You can use it to make birthday cakes, cheesecakes, tiramisu, sponge cakes, and more. If you are a baker by profession, then you most probably want all of your cakes to have a consistent texture. Having different sorts of consistency can create disappointment in your customers. What can you do to get the same results every time you bake? Easy, just get the Cuisinart AMB9 RCK cake pan. It has the perfect build to give you the same great results every time you cook. The even heat distribution in this makes sure you get the perfect fluff in your cake. You can also bake pizzas with this if you want. Another plus point of this product is affordability. You are getting an excellent product for the price. The product comes with Whitford's Island non-stick interior and exterior coating, which helps in a smooth release. It also makes the product exceptionally comfortable for cleanup as well. This hard-working pan works for both cookies and jelly rolls, which makes it a great investment, as well as a space saver in the kitchen. Made by Chicago Metallic Bakeware, it's part of the brand's professional line of bakeware, which offers a lifetime warranty. The outside measures a generous 17.5 into 12.5 into 1 inch. The inside measures 16.5 into 11.5 inches. The heavyweight aluminized steel supports excellent heat conduction for even baking, and for ease of removal, the interior surface has a diamond quality, non-stick dual coating. The preferred way to clean is by hand, but the pan is also dishwasher safe. Plus, the edges are hefty enough to prevent warping. No matter how skillful you are, baking can be a messy experience. Cake batter can tend to drip and leak out of the baking pan, and can cause problems in the oven. Fortunately, the aluminum Nordic Ware leak-proof springform pan promises to put a stop to this messy problem. This special springform pan boasts a durable leak-proof seal to perfectly prevent leaks and drips. The seal on the side is especially tight, thanks to the clip system. When your cake has been baked to perfection, simply undo the clips, and it will slide right out of the pan. The fact that this model is not dishwasher safe may initially give you pause for thought. However, the aluminum Nordic Ware leak-proof springform pan is very easy to wash by hand. This is facilitated by the thick and durable non-stick coating that is designed to repel food. The Wilton Recipe Right Bread Loaf Baking Pan is made of stainless steel for long-term durability and is covered with a non-stick coating for quick food release and easy cleanup. Though the 8.5 by 4.5 by 2.5 inch model is the most popular, Wilton sells the Recipe Right pan in a variety of sizes, including 9.25 by 5.25 by 2.75 inches and 5.25 by 3 by 2.125 inches. The pans are dishwasher safe, but we recommend washing them by hand to increase their lifespan. Wilton backs the quality of its products with a 5-year warranty. This is a superior collection of bundt pans out of Wilton which come in a number. The one we're speaking about is the large donut-shaped cast that has slight sleek tubes that provide a very simple silhouette yet additionally appealing one. This permits you to get creative to be certain to add on your decoration these attractively shaped cakes, as well as various kinds of cutting which will allow it to be appealing. The Wilton Perfect Results non-stick fluted tube pen features a non-stick surface and is made of steel so it bakes evenly, releases your food effortlessly, and is easy to clean. It produces cakes that are approximately 9.25 inches in diameter and 3.37 inches high, so they are slightly smaller than your usual bundt cake. Wilton backs the quality of this pan with a 10-year limited warranty.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.